Hello everyone, welcome to today's lecture. In this video, we'll discuss about one of the type of SAP2 instruction set, register instructions. When we want to move data directly from one register to another without involving memory, register instructions comes into picture. It has advantage over memory refreshing instructions because it is faster. In memory refreshing instructions, program instruction is transferred from the memory to instruction registers, which make this slower. The register instructions include MOV, ADD, SUB, INR and DCR. We will further discuss about this instruction in detail along with the examples. So now let's discuss about one of the register instructions, MOV. MOV is the mnemonic for move. It is used to move data from one register to another. So let's take an example. We basically write MOV and then after the destination register and then the source registers. So MOV A, B means move the data from B register to the accumulator. Keep in mind the first register is the destination and the second one is source. We can move data between A, B and C registers as MOV A, C, MOV B, A and MOV B, C, MOV C, A and MOV C, B. These also have the similar meaning. MOV A, C means move the data from C register to the accumulator. So these all have the similar meaning, only the name of the register is changed. So only this much about the MOV register instruction. Now let's discuss about another register instruction, ADD. ADD stands for addition. It refers to add the data from a specified register to the accumulator. So let's take an example. ADD B refers to add the content of the B register to the accumulator. ADD can be used with two registers B and C as ADD B and ADD C. As same as ADD B, ADD C refers to add the content of C register to the accumulator. So this much about the ADD register instructions. Another SAP2 register instruction is SUB. SUB means subtraction. It refers to subtract the data in the specified register from the accumulator. For instance, SUBC refers to subtract the content of the register C from the accumulator. Basically, SUB can be used with two registers B and C as SUBB and SUBC. As same as SUBC, SUBB refers to subtract the content of the register B from the accumulator. So this much about the register instruction SUB. Likewise, another register instruction is INR. INR is the mnemonic for increment. It tells the computer to increment the designated register. For instance, if B is equals to 40 years, then INR B results in B is equals to 41 years. That is, increase the content of B by 1. It can be used as INR A, INR B and INR C, as there are three registers. So this has a similar meaning as INR B. Likewise, INR C also increase the content of the C by 1. So this much about the register instruction INR. So another register instruction is DCR. DCR is the mnemonic for decrement. It instructs the computer to decrement the designated register. So let's take an example. For instance, if C is equals to 55H, and then the DCRC will result in C is equals to 54H. That is, decrement the value of C by 1. Also, it can be used as DCRA, DCRB and DCRC. All of these have working is same. Likewise, DCRC, DCRB will decrement the value of B by 1. So this much about the DCR instruction. We will see actual programming later on. Only this much in this video. If this video helps you understand, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, please hit the subscribe button. This way you will get the notification anytime the new content pops up. So thank you.